back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Final race of the evening on a long but good night. Green flag in the air. Hayes and Dennis Steck side by side for the race lead. Ed Johnson wanted to take a peek to the outside, and nothing going there. He had to kind of back off a little bit or it was going to cause a crash. So Jeremy Hayes continues to show the way. Dennis Steck second. Ed Johnson trying to pedal on the outside there. Oh, we got a spinner.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
And yellow flag waves. So 2 laps scored, 10 remain. Jeremy Hayes, Dennis Steck, Ed Johnson, Nick Steck, and Stephen Hoffman, their top 5 on the restart. So back to green flag racing we go. Jeremy Hayes leads, but Nick Steck is right there in the 60 car. Running second and almost making a move for the lead. Oh! One of them getting sideways. That's the 43 of Dennis Steck. Oh man, cars all sorts of sideways there. One's car slowing. The 114 is really slow there. Lap number 6 going on the board. We're halfway home here, side by side. For the race lead as the 60 of Nick Steck grabbed the lead. And Hoffman side by side with him for the top spot. Some action going on at the back of the racetrack. Oh boy, yikes. Man, oh man, I know it's after midnight, but there's some wildness going on out there. Nick Steck and Stephen Hoffman.
Yes, we got 6, right?
6 down.
Green flag back in the air. So Stephen Hoffman right there on the tail tank of the 60, Nick Steck. Hoffman's running the high side where Steck was on the low side, and you can see Hoffman's got some momentum wound up in his Crown Vic on the outside lane. That usually pays off. And ladies and gentlemen, Stephen Hoffman in Sinorama Victory Lane. Congratulations to Stephen Hoffman.